Okay, this is the specimen of spleen. Spleen is a largest lymphoid organ present in our bodies. Okay, so spleen main function of spleen is it filter the blood and remove old RBC and infected RBCs and microbial agent. उसको ये remove करता है. Okay, then location of spleen. So spleen present on the left side. So it present in the left hypochondrium and some part may extend to the epigastrium. This is the location of spleen. Okay, it's present on the left side. So in the left hypochondrium and some part may extend on the median epigastrium. Okay, then spleen is a highly vascular organ. It is soft and dark purple in color. This and then size and shape may be variable. Okay, so measurements of spleen is 1 inches thickness, 3 inches broad, 5 inches length, 7 ounce weight, 9 to 11 ribs related to the spleen. So this is called Harris dictum of odd numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 to 11. These are the ribs related to the spleen. 9, 10, 11. Okay, so in the diaphragmatic surface, 9th, 10th, 11th rib related to this surface. Okay, this is the measurements of spleen. Now we discussed about position. So spleen present on the left side and spleen axis is to the 10th rib. Okay, so spleen present on the left side, it is present lies obliquely along with long axis of 10th rib. 10th rib के axis में ये oblique रहेगा. Okay, then anterior end, location of anterior end is downward, forward and lateral. Okay, and making angle with horizontal plane 45 degree. ठीक है, make an angle with horizontal plane 45 degrees. Okay, so 45 degree angle form करेगा. Then external features of spleen. So in this spleen, 2 ends, anterior end, posterior end, 3 borders, superior border, inferior border. This is the intermediate border. 2 surfaces, smooth, convex, diaphragmatic surface, irregular, concave, visceral surface. Okay, so these are the external features. We start with anterior end. Other name is anterior end is, this is the anterior end like a border. Okay, other name is lower pole and lateral end. ठीक है, तो anterior end, lateral end and lower pole because its direction is downward, forward to the lateral. So this is the anterior end. Posterior end, small and rounded. This is the posterior end of small. Other name of posterior end is upper pole and middle end because towards the vertebral column. ठीक है, so position of spleen is this. This is the anterior end, lower pole या lateral end. This is the middle end, upper pole या posterior end. Okay, this is the small and rounded. This is the anterior end like a border. Okay, then 3 borders. This is the superior border. This is the inferior border. This is intermediate border. This is superior border attached to the anterior end. Present some notches. Okay, this notch represent spleen is development from lobulated. Okay, अलग अलग lobule से ये form होता है. Notch represent करती है different lobules. Notch may be present on the inferior surface, inferior border. Okay, so superior border dividing into diaphragmatic surface to the fundic impression, stomach and diaphragmic surface to the fundus impression of fundus. इन दोनों को ये सेपरेट करेगी. This is the inferior border dividing renal impression to the diaphragmatic surface. This is the intermediate border dividing into fundic impression and renal impression. इन दोनों को ये सेपरेट करती है intermediate border. Then this is the smooth convex diaphragmatic surface. This surface related to the diaphragm and ribs 9th, 10th, 11th ribs. In the medial, this is the second last surface, visceral surface. In the this surface we seen some impression. Okay, this is the large impression. This is stomach, fundus part of stomach lies here. Okay, this is the stomach impression. Between intermediate border and inferior border, this is the renal impression. Anterior surface of left kidney lies here. So this is the renal impression. Near to anterior end, this is the colic impression, splenic flexure of colon present here. Okay, these are the impression present on the visceral surface. Okay, this is the irregular and concave. Diaphragmatic surface is smooth and convex. Some authors also describe two angles, anterobasal and posterobasal. Anterobasal present on the superior border and anterior end. This is the anterobasal angle, and this is the inferior border with the anterior end. This is called the posterobasal angle. Okay, anterobasal angle is called the clinical angle of spleen because when enlargement of spleen, it is firstly felt here. So this is called the clinical angle of spleen. Then relations, two types of relation present on spleen. First is peritoneal relation and second is visceral relation. In the peritoneal relation, spleen is fully covered with peritoneum except hilum. This is the hilum of spleen. In which which structure present on the hilum? These are the splenic vessels and nerves transmit the hilums. Okay, this is the hilum of spleen. So this hilum of spleen is related to the two peritoneal ligament. First is gastrosplenic ligament to the greater curvature of stomach to the spleen, gastrosplenic ligament. Another one is linorenal ligament, anterior surface of kidney to the hilum of spleen. This is called the linorenal ligament. So these are the peritoneal relation, and last is this is the visceral relation. So visceral relation we are already discussed. So first is gastric impression, large impression present on the superior border and intermediate border. इन दोनों के बीच में ये दिख रहा है major impression. This is called the gastric impression. So this impression mainly fundus part of stomach here. So this is the large impression, gastric impression. Another one impression is renal impression. This is the renal impression. ठीक है, it is present on between intermediate border and inferior border. इन दोनों के बीच में this is the renal impression. It produces anterior surface of left kidney lies here. So this is the renal impression. Near to anterior end, this is the colic impression. Splenic flexure of colon lies here. Okay, and last is in between colic impression to the hilum. In this area related to the tail of pancreas. So pancreatic impression lies here, present here. Okay, so these are the visceral relation. Okay, gastric impression produced by stomach, mainly fundus of stomach. Renal impression produced by anterior surface of left kidney. Colic impression present produced by splenic flexure of colon, and pancreatic impression produced by tail of pancreas. So these are the visceral impression present on the visceral surface. This is the diaphragmatic surface. Two surface, diaphragmatic and visceral. Three borders: superior, intermediate, inferior. Two ends: anterior end या lower pole या lateral end. Direction is downward, forward to the lateral. This is the medial end या upper pole या posterior end. Directed upward, backward to the medial towards the vertebral column. Okay, so this is the medial end. Medial end is small and rounded. Anterior end broad like a border. Okay, so this is the two ends, two surface, diaphragmatic surface. This is the visceral surface. Three borders: anterior border, intermediate border. This is the inferior border. Okay, so these are three borders. Two ligaments are present. This is a peritoneal ligament. One is gastrosplenic, greater curvature of spleen, greater curvature of stomach to the hilum of spleen. And another one is linorenal, anterior surface of kidney to the hilum of spleen. One another ligament support to the spleen, not attached to the spleen, but it support to the spleen. This is the phrenicocholic. ठीक है, phrenicocholic ligament attached with diaphragm to the splenic flexure of colon. It support to the spleen, not attached spleen, but it support to the spleen.